There are two motives for reading a book, one that you enjoy it, the other that you can boast about its stupidity and unconscious bias often do more damage than venality. Language serves not only to express thought but to make possible thoughts which could not exist without it. Do not fear to be eccentric in opinion, for every opinion now accepted was once eccentric. Of all forms of caution, caution in love is perhaps the most fatal to true happiness. The fundamental cause of the trouble is that in the modern world the stupid are cocksure, while the intelligent are full of doubt. To fear love is to fear life, and those who fear life are already 3 parts dead. I would never die for my beliefs because I might be wrong in all affairs. It's a healthy thing now and then to hang a question mark on the things you have long taken for granted. One of the symptoms of an approaching nervous breakdown is the belief that one's work is terribly important. You have long taken for granted. One of the symptoms of an approaching nervous breakdown is the belief that one's work is terribly important. Fear is the main source of superstition and one of the main sources of cruelty. To conquer fear is the beginning of wisdom. It is easy to fall in love, the hard part is finding someone to catch you. It is the preoccupation with possessions more than anything else that prevents us from living freely and nobly. Collective fear stimulates herd instinct and tends to produce ferocity towards those who are not regarded as members of the herd. No one gossips about other people's secret virtues. It has been said that man is a rational animal. All my life I have been searching for evidence which could support this. The secret of happiness is to face the fact that the world is horrible. The infliction of cruelty with a good conscience is a delight to moralists. That is why they invented hell. Neither a man nor a crowd nor a nation can be trusted to act humanely or to think sanely under the influence of a great fear. The whole problem with the world is that fools and fanatics are always so certain of themselves, and wiser people so full of doubts. Everything is vague to a degree you do not realize till you have tried to make it precise. The greatest challenge to any thinker is stating the problem in a way that will allow a solution. Anything you're good at contributes to happiness. To be without some of the things you want is an indispensable part of happiness. Science is what you know, philosophy is what you don't know. Sin is geographical. What is wanted is not the will to believe but the will to find out, which is the exact opposite. Remember your humanity and forget the rest. Dogmatism is the greatest of mental obstacles to human happiness. Man is a credulous animal and must believe something in the absence of good grounds for belief. He will be satisfied with bad. One's life is nothing but a competition to be the criminal rather than the victim. A happy life must be to a great extent